Whereas with boys, for them, their friendships form, it can be from 2 to 12. It's not as important for them to have that very tiny group. It's much more kind of a team mindset. There's a group of us, and boys are fine with that. And that's why, again, if you think to younger people or little people that you work with, boys don't talk so much about having a best friend as a girl as you hear girls, because it's not quite as important to them in their relationships. Whereas boys, their friendship really focuses on a shared interest or an activity, things that they're doing as a group. They are not focused one-on-one. They're not going to sit and talk about their feelings or what's going on for the day. They are going to talk about the activity, the football game, the kickball game, what was going on, what was that activity. That's kind of where their friendships are going to focus, the conversations are focused. With boys, games and sports are central. That is the relationship. They really do those sports because that is where they gather. That is the thing that they like to do. That's the way that they like to interact. And so the sports are really central to that relationship with boys.